Hello guys, Igor here doing one more review. Today analyzing Boxward, a tool that claims to send cold emails that land in inbox and drive more conversions on autopilot. Boxward is a warm-up tool that helps you to improve your. So why do you need a warm-up tool? You're gonna use the warm-up tool to have a balance between the message you receive and the message you send. And in that way, you will state that you have a balance account that will, in result, has a better little bit. You're gonna get all the features of the Pro plan. If you buy the license tier 1, you get 3 email accounts with 5 different warm-up routine with up to 100 email per day per email account. And if you buy more like tier 2 or tier 3, you're gonna get more emails, up to 40 emails account in tier 5. So let's take a look at the tool. Here's the Boxward. And the first thing that you need to do is to connect your email. You can use Google Gmail, Zoho, Microsoft Outlook, or SMTP. If you're going to connect Google, you need to set up a two-factor and create an app password. It's pretty simple. In 5 minutes, you can do that. After you connect your account, you can see here on the overview that you will have analytics about the email that you're going to send, receive, the conversations, the percentage of emails that's going to spam, categories, and the details about your inbox. To use the tool is pretty simple. You're going to select your email and select one of the 5 warm-up routines: auto, maintain, distress, rehab, or custom. Choose auto for a newly created email, maintain for an email that has been in use for some time, distress for an email that has seen a recent drop in open rates, and rehab for an email that you believe has been blacklisted, and custom to create your own schedule. You're going to be able to see the schedule here as a data, and that's it. After you set up, you are armed up to go. On Boxward, when you select your email to add the details of your company to receive a more personalized email, I have added the best link in the descriptions to get the best price for Boxward. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much.